here are some simple combinations. You can do the steps separately or join them together to make a little combination. Don't forget you can use any of these arms anywhere. These are just suggestions. So try and now begin to use arms with your movements. So the first position is one up and one down, and we're going to make with this hip rolls. Then from here we're going to continue with the hip rolls, but waving the arms as you go. You can make them straight up and down or just free, however you feel you want to make the arms. Now we could put the hands behind our head and make full hip circles. From here, transition your arms and make hip bumps. Remember, if you're changing arms from one position to another, you need to flow them, not just quickly change positions, unless you're doing something like sharp hip bumps, which you want to be staccato. From here, you could go into hip rolls, making prayer hands. So why not try and combine all those movements, one after the other. When you've got to the end, go back to position and begin again with your hip rolls, changes of arms, etc.